So finally we have reached the end of this topic. So in this topic we learned that the string is basically an object, and a typical string in Java is the sequence of characters, and each character present inside the string is indexed. That is, the index starts from 0, 1, 2 and go on till the end depending on the size of the string. And the strings are created in two ways. The first way is using the literals directly, and the second way is using the new keyword. And at last, I would like to add a new point to the topic of string, that strings are basically immutable in nature. That is, once created cannot be modified later. Now regarding this point, why the strings are immutable in nature, please check the helper text below the video for more details. So this was all about strings in Java. So coming up next, we are going to check out what are methods or functions in Java.